Hey guys, and welcome back to another grocery haul. I went to Kroger and Trader Joe's, literally mostly Kroger, or mostly Trader Joe's because Kroger I just got milk, eggs, and I think that's literally, oh, yogurt. Milk, eggs, and yogurt. So, oh, and some vegetables. I'm gonna show you. So, we really didn't need any meat. I stocked up on meat huge last week. And also I'm gonna be doing pot roast. So I'm super excited about that. So I'm gonna make a pot roast tonight, which will last us quite a while. And I have just like a bunch of free meat in the freezer. So let's get into it. It's a lot of vegetables and some pantry items, honestly, and some fun new things. So this is gonna be like a what's new, not really that new, what's new-ish at Trader Joe's, and then obviously just my plain staples. So starting with protein, how I always start this. I haven't gotten this in so long. I wanna say it's been since, like, I remember loving this before I got pregnant, and then I wasn't able to eat smoked salmon when I was pregnant. I don't know, doctors just said don't. I think because you don't cook it. A lot of things you're not supposed to eat because it can contain bacteria that you don't cook off if you're not cooking it. But this is so good. It's the hot smoked one, so it has cracked peppercorns, mustard seed, and lemon. It's a really quick, it's like basically like lunch meat, but smoked tuna, or smoked salmon. I'm literally, my mouth is watering right now. It's so good, it's super thick. So it's sold by the pound. So it's $23 a pound, but it's like half a pound, so $11 for this guy. It's literally amazing. I used to get this all the time. And I just take it by the chunk and eat it. It's like a really quick, obviously, source of protein, and it's just delicious. Again, my staples. I've actually decided I don't love the oven roasted turkey breast from Trader Joe's. I only really like the smoked. I feel like the oven roasted, not that I don't like it, I just feel like it tears apart a lot easier. And for like sandwiches and like weighing it out, I like whole slices, but if you don't mind, it doesn't matter. And I really can't tell a huge like difference in taste. So I just get this. I get about 2 servings per container because I do eat like 2 servings each time. And there's only 3.5 per, or maybe I only get like, yeah, I get about 2. So that is just my quick and easy, like I pretty much eat this for lunch. If I'm not eating tuna, I'm eating like a snack plate with turkey breast. I love it. My eggs, which literally took a beating, like the case got all soggy because it was next to my milk and ripped apart. Like I don't know what the heck happened to these eggs. And 1 cracked. No, 2 cracked. Oh my God. I'm falling apart, you guys. What the heck, man? All right, 2 eggs cracked, so we love that for me. I can actually salvage this one, I think. So my egg situation was kind of a fail. We're gonna get past that. So that's literally all I got for protein because, like I said, I have so much in the freezer and we're doing a pot roast, which will last us like 2 nights. And here I got 2 little avocados. If you're not using mesh bags, seriously, get some mesh bags, especially at Trader Joe's because they don't weigh them out. It's by the price, or by the item. So 2 avocados that are not even close to being ripe. 2 sweet onions because I'm going to be using that. Well, I'm gonna be using what we have in the crock pot and then I wanted extras. 5 red bell peppers. I mean, come on, staple. I literally eat a red bell pepper every single day, pretty much. Lots of veg. Got some sangria, tomatoes. I like that they have this in the like paper now. I like these ones better than the ones that Trader Joe's it's their brand because those are so deep, and I find that there's rotten tomatoes at the bottom all the time, and I'm like kind of annoyed by getting them all the time because they're rotten at the bottom. So I like this. I can like shake it around and see what's good. And these are just like a fun, colorful thing. I love salt and pepper, just slice in half salt and pepper on a veggie tray. Same thing, organic sugar snap peas. This is pretty much the one thing that I will not get the original. I will only get organic from because they're just so much sweeter and that much better. Carrots, I didn't mean to get organic necessarily, but these are gonna go in the pot roast for dinner tonight. A cucumber. I've been liking the what do I wanna say? The little mini cocktail cucumbers, but I just picked up an original one today. Some cremini mushrooms. Just a staple for us, like pasta sauces, omelets, whatever. We stir fries. broccolini, again, not a surprise. You can also get this at Kroger, if you didn't know. Broccolini compared to broccoli, it's just a lot less broccoli-y and tasting. I feel like it's not as strong of the taste as broccoli, and you can like cook it in, I feel like, different ways. So I don't roast this, which I only roast regular broccoli really, I don't steam it, but I like to saute this. It's really good with like lemon. If you are not eating lemon on your broccoli, you're seriously missing out. It's so good. I got some romaine hearts. I think that I want to do some like turkey tacos this week, so I got these to do instead of like wraps, also salads or tortillas, also salads and whatnot. Some baby carrots. Me and Scott ate an entire bag on the way home in the RV, so we don't have any more carrots left, so picked up a bag of those. And those were actually really sweet, so that was exciting. Zucchini, again, a complete staple. Zucchini is just really easy. If you just need a vegetable that you're like, don't want it to, I don't know, you can literally use zucchini in every single recipe. I love it. Got some gold potatoes. I'm going to be making mashed potatoes for the pot roast. I don't like to put potatoes in my pot roast. I like mashed potatoes on the side. I feel like I like to dip my pot roast in mashed potatoes. I love mashed potatoes. All right, bananas. Nothing special about that. Got some raspberries. I've really been enjoying doing oatmeal with peanut butter and raspberries. Super, super good. I've never really been an oatmeal person, but I've slowly started. If I'm hungry in the morning, I'm eating oatmeal. So I got that, and Arlo, raspberries are his favorite food in the entire world. Mostly pantry stuff soon, but anyways, or left. This is the best bread from Trader Joe's. It's a staple. We always have this. We keep it in our fridge also so it doesn't go bad as quick. So this is the multi-grain sourdough with sunflower seeds and sesame seeds. These are just, it's just so good. It's got good protein in it. It's a super hearty piece of bread. I love to toast it, make it for sandwiches, avocado toast, anything. It's just really good. It's a hearty bread. I got these again because I love these. So these are newer, and I think they're a seasonal item. So this is the sweet corn burrata and basil raviolis. These were so good, you guys. I did this with a butter corn like sauce. Ooh, what are we gonna go with cream as well? But I took butter and then I put, I put garlic in there as well. And then I took the fryer roasted corn, put that in there with this, tossed it up. I believe I put zucchini in it as well and put some chicken on it, and it was so freaking good. It was really easy. A lot of protein in this guy, but it was a quick, easy thing to make and eat, and these were yum. So I'm glad I picked those up again. Butter. We've been cooking a lot more with butter than just olive oil. I don't know. So that's what I picked up. Sorry, I'm like kind of nasally because allergies. So, all right. Let's get the dairy out of the way and then we'll go into pantries because I got a lot of pantry stuff. These yogurts, I have been obsessed. Obsessed is an understatement with how good these are. These taste like dessert. Like only specifically this flavor to me tastes like dessert. This is the banana cream with granola on top of it. The Purely Elizabeth banana nut granola is amazing. On top of this with some chocolate chips. So good. I've been liking enjoying these instead of a protein bar at the end of the night. It's just so sweet and delicious. So I got 5 of them. They're just the Oikos 000. They're zero sugar, zero added sugar, zero artificial sweeteners, zero fat, and 15 grams of protein. So it's not even all of that. It's literally, I'm obsessed with the taste of them. Again, another staple. Some of you guys said that you picked these up and you were surprised at how good they were. If you've not tried these, run. Like literally, they're so good. So these are the Trader Joe's gnocchi alla gorgonzola. We pretty much eat one of these like a week. It's like my quick, like I don't want to cook. I don't know what to cook. We have nothing to cook. Let's throw one of these in. We throw it with peas. We throw them chicken in there, sausage in there. These are like frozen gnocchis with chunks of the gorgonzola cheese, and it melts down and it is literally ready in like 10 minutes. It's phenomenal. I need to put these in the freezer so they don't defrost. So yes, please try those out. I swear you will not be disappointed. thing of milk. This is just whole vitamin D milk. Arlo's on whole vitamin D milk now instead of formula, and that's what he does. I can't tell you the last time I bought a gallon of milk. It's been a very, very, very long time, but Arlo needs it for his healthy development. This is a newer-ish item to Trader Joe's. This is the Select Harvest curated coffee. It's the Pea Berry. So Pea Berry apparently is this coffee that only comes around, I don't know. The only reason I say it only comes around, I don't know when, is because one of our friends on like a group message was like, Pea Berry, so-and-so has Pea Berry coffee now. And we're like, oh, weird. Never even heard of Pea Berry coffee. I thought it was a brand. And then I picked this up at Trader Joe's and I was like, oh, Pea Berry must be a kind of coffee or like a bean of coffee. I probably should have Googled that before I like started talking, like I actually knew what it was about. But if y'all know what Pea Berry is, a Pea Berry blend, I don't know. But it's a blend of light and a medium roast. So a Pea Berry Colombia and a Pea Berry Tanzania. I never can say that word, it always trips me up. But I got 3 bags of this. We've loved using this with our iced coffee. I keep 2 bags whole and then I grind 1 for our next batch because we're not quite out of it yet. But Trader Joe's curated like small batch coffees are my favorite, and they have a grinder right there on site. But if you're making iced coffee at home, try these. I know they're pricey for a bag of beans, but it's still so much cheaper than buying coffee out. And if you're buying coffee out still, like, seriously, I will link my iced coffee maker down below. It is phenomenal. You need it. Okay, pantry items. I don't know who I was when I picked up these rice cakes, but I thought I got some avocado, thought it'd be good with avocado, thought it'd be good with peanut butter, and Arlo might like them, I don't know. Also for Arlo Snacks, I got him some blueberry granola bars. The crazy thing is, half the snacks that I buy specifically just for Arlo, Scott eats all of them. So yeah, every time, I don't know, do any of you guys do that, buy specific snacks for your kid and your husband eats them all? And I'm like, Scott, those were for Arlo. And he's like, those are baby food. And I'm like, Arlo is a toddler and he, you know, granola bars for Arlo. So those, and then these, I'm not gonna lie, these are so good too. These are just the organic mini cheese sandwich crackers. They're good, Arlo loves them. They're just little mini, like Ritz sort of thingies. These pretzel thins, the everything but the bagel seasoning ones, have been like a staple in my grocery pickups for a while now. I love them with tuna, like scooping tuna up with it. It's really good. So they're just really like an easy, they're like a thin, you know. Also for Arlo, this box is getting mushed. Blueberry waffles, any sort of waffles is a staple for him on like weekend mornings. So got him some more of those because we ran out this weekend. I like cannot believe they still have this in stock. This is a seasonal item as well. This is the Synergistically popcorn. I'm super bummed because we opened a bag of this when we were camping and it was like raining outside, and within like 5 minutes, the entire bag got stale and it was disgusting. So I picked up another bag of this. I'm like so surprised they still have this out. I'm so happy they do, but I was surprised. Okay, another new-ish, I think it's a seasonal item because I got these last year. These are the patio potato chips. These are really good. They're a mix of 4. A delicious dill, barbecue, salt and vinegar, and home-style ketchup. They're just a mix of a bag of chips. They're super good, and they're like, they're not kettle, but they're like ridged. They're so delicious. So check those out if you haven't. Another new item, or new to me, I haven't seen this flavor before, is the sparkling water, the lemonade, or the watermelon lemonade, which I've never tried this flavor. I've tried the blueberry lemonade. These aren't normally my favorite, but I thought the watermelon might be nice. Like I said, I was eating more oats in the morning, so I always get just the giant bag of rolled oats from Trader Joe's. We needed rice. I normally will cook a giant like rice cooker full of rice at the beginning of the week or over the weekend, and like portion it out and put it in the freezer so that it's really quick and easy to like heat up throughout the week, and we always have fresh rice. So I just get the brown basmati and the white jasmine because we were out of both of those. We were also out of olive oil. This is just the olive oil I get from Trader Joe's. I like this avocado oil spray for our air fryer. I think it's just really easy to throw that in there instead of like necessarily like mixing it in olive oil before throwing it in the air fryer. You don't need oil, but if you want it to crisp up a little bit more, a little bit helps, and I like the spray for that. canned vegetables because it's all Arlo eats. He does not like fresh vegetables because I think he just can't quite chew them yet, but he does have his molars, so we're on our way to getting there. Some golden corn, green beans, and then carrots. Carrots are his absolute favorite. I don't know why, they're literally mush, but anyways, that is my grocery haul. Like I said, a lot of staples, some newness, and yeah, just a lot of veg, pantry stuff. Not much meat in this haul, but I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. I was thinking about grabbing those strawberry yogurt pretzels, so if they're good and I need them, please sound off in the comments down below. Also, what's that other one? The strawberry sandwich cookies. You know, we're trying to get to be healthier, and I know if I get those cookies, me and Scott will eat them in like a day. So, or Scott and I will eat them in a day, let's be real. Mostly Scott, but that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Also, I do have a couple of what I eat in a days. I will link those down below as well as at the end of this video so you guys can get some ideas of like what I do to cook. If you are interested in recipes and only watch these videos, my daily vlogs, I do a lot of cooking in them as well. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.